Well, it's officially winter. This sucks. It's terrible. I don't like winter, but whatever. I filmed this a few weeks before you're gonna see it, so it's probably gotten worse. Hopefully it got better. I doubt it. But anyways, yeah, 'tis the season. And winter means that I'm gonna have to change up format of this channel a little bit because I can't keep going the way I was going before. I work in snow removal. That means I'm doing like 14-hour day-long shifts. I'm going to bed super late and I'm waking up at sometimes 2 in the morning to go to work. Let's go inside. It's cold as balls out here. Not cool. Well, it's cold. It's so not cool. I don't like winter. I never really did. Can't skate. Absolutely horrified of skiing. I snowboard a little bit. I don't like skidoos. The list goes on. I'm not a winter person. Why I'm living in Canada, I don't know. Now, getting back to my earlier point, my job revolves around the weather. I plow snow, I pick up snow, I drive salt trucks and big tractor things and all kinds of stuff like that. So when winter comes, this is what I'm doing. And that doesn't give me a lot of spare time to really do anything, which is a big part of the reason that the RX-7's at Jamie's place. So that way I don't really have to look at it. My 240's at Kiwi Performance getting built by those boys because that's what they do, and they'll be able to pull it off in time for next season for me to get to the track. Now I'm really hoping to be able to show you guys some progress on that soon when they start working on it. I'm definitely gonna let you know. We're gonna keep the regular vlog going, just slowing it down a little bit. But anyways, I've set you guys up. We're gonna change the format of everything. It's gonna be different upload days. Right now it's Monday, Thursdays, and Fridays, I believe. So we're gonna switch it up a bit. We're gonna do Tuesdays, Thursdays, guaranteed promise. I'm gonna try to throw in a regular vlog in there probably on a Friday, and when there's a special video come out, that'll be Saturday. So let's go through the schedule a little bit, right? Guaranteed, you guys are gonna have a new video from me every Tuesday. That's gonna be Top 5 Tuesdays, where I go through a lot of top 5 things I do and don't like about the cars I own, and a few other things too. Then another guaranteed video will be Thursday. Now Thursday is gonna be a throwback Thursday. And the beauty of this is that you guys can kind of get to know who I am and who my crew is, because there's not really anything on these vlogs. You just see us messing around with cars and stuff like that. So we're gonna go way back, because most of my crew, most of my friends, I've been friends with since I was like 4 years old. So that's like pushing 30 years of friendship, which is pretty awesome. So we're gonna take a look way back. I've got videos because, well, we've been up to this stuff since probably 1996, as you'll see. So we're gonna have throwbacks on Thursdays. You're gonna get the full story, the full scoop, what's up, where this team came from. To know where you're going, you need to know where you've been. Another series of videos that I'm working on right now, it's going pretty slow because it's more set up like a movie. It's kind of artistic. It's not like these vlogs where I'm just talking to you guys. It's actually my attempt at pretty much almost making a movie. And what this is about, it's sort of a documentary about the crew, and you get to see what we do behind the scenes, what we're doing to do what we do. We're trying to grow this thing. We're trying to just become really good at what we do. So you're gonna get a good look at that. Not only see what goes on in the hardships and the good things and the tough things about everything, kind of get a look inside of our heads and know what we're thinking when we're doing this, why we're doing this, how it feels to be doing this, and how it makes us feel and how we go about things. And that will be the TC Project 253 videos, which will hopefully give you a big overlook of last season. And I'm probably gonna upload those on Saturday. I'm gonna try to keep a regular vlog going, so maybe Saturdays will get a vlog or a TC Project 253 exclusive video. We'll see, who knows? But I'm gonna try to keep stuff coming to you guys as much as possible. And as of right now, they're already uploaded and ready to be published. So I can promise you that you're gonna get 2 videos a week from January 1st all the way to the end of February. yeah, February, March even. I think I'm into March now. So I've been working really hard to be able to bring you guys some content and keep this thing flowing and going. So thank you so much for sticking around. I love all you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Tell your friends, share it around. We gotta grow this thing. I got a group of guys relying on me to get things moving. So let's do it all together. It's gonna be one hell of a ride. Peace out and stay happy.